For factors that impact your HVAC unit you may not be aware of. Are you experiencing frequent breakdowns with your HVAC system that leave you feeling frustrated and uncomfortable? Here are 4 factors that could be impacting your HVAC system you may not be aware of. Ductwork, leaks or blockages in your ducts can lead to reduced airflow, forcing your system to work harder. Thermostats, a poorly calibrated thermostat can cause your HVAC system to run longer than necessary. Insulation, insufficient insulation in your home can result in temperature fluctuations, putting additional strain on your HVAC system. Air filters, neglecting to regularly clean or replace your system's air filters can reduce efficiency and contribute to poor indoor air quality. If you're experiencing issues with your HVAC unit, don't hesitate to contact South Hills Electric in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, for professional assistance. Call us today at 412-900-4978 to get started.